Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Markets are experiencing a dramatic rotation as investors dump tech stocks following Friday's brutal sell-off. The Nasdaq dropped 4.2% in its biggest one-day point decline on record, triggering global turbulence with South Korea's Kospi plunging 8.1% Monday. But Morgan Stanley's Mike Wilson is calling this a healthy reset rather than a bear market signal, citing improving earnings and favorable economic conditions. Here's what's driving the shift. After 2 years of crowding into artificial intelligence stocks as a recession hedge, investors are rotating into health insurers, banks, and retailers. The May jobs report showed strength with 172,000 jobs added, unemployment at 4.3%, and wage growth holding at 3.4% year over year. That's giving investors confidence to diversify beyond tech. Bitcoin is recovering this morning, trading above $63,700 after falling 12% over 5 days. Stock index futures are mixed with Dow futures, down 0.1%, while Nasdaq futures rally 0.5%, showing some stabilization after the Friday rout. Wednesday brings the critical consumer price index report. Consensus expects May CPI at 0.5% monthly and 4.2% year over year, up from 3.8%. Core CPI is forecast at 0.3% monthly. Thursday delivers jobless claims expected at 220,000 and producer price index data. Oil markets whipsawed Monday as Iran announced the end of current military operations against Israel. West Texas Intermediate initially spiked to $95.48 before settling up 1.4% at $91.76. Brent crude briefly topped $98 before retreating to $94.55, up 1.6%. Here's a shocker. Gold tumbled 18% since the Iran war began February 27th, completely contradicting its safe haven reputation. Gold fell 1% Monday to $4,321.80 per ounce after Friday's 3% drop, the worst single day since March 26th. One strategist suggests $4,000 as the floor. Nvidia signed a new memory chip partnership with SK Hynix, but Korean tech shares crashed. SK Hynix dropped 7.7% despite the deal as the AI trade loses momentum. Novo Nordisk's Wegovy pill continues dominating with over 3 million prescriptions filled since launching January 5th. That's one prescription every 5 seconds, making it one of the most successful pharmaceutical launches ever. NATO's eastern flank is rearming aggressively while Western Europe lags. Poland, Romania, and Baltic states are spending near or above 5% of GDP on defense. Meanwhile, the UK spends 2.4%, Germany 2.3%, France just 2%. The disparity exposes 3 decades of Western Europe free riding on American security guarantees. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.